Nanan menta hangni hapo Vienna kanong ba jong kari Austria kado ba Europe hakaba khadar ngut na kinong sengkam le jong na jela Meghalaya ki don hangni menta ban yo ya ki jingnang jing tip ya ke jing sngotu ba ke jing ya ai buj ai bor mar keliang na kita ki nong be tingka na kita ki nong sengkam le jong le sila banong na kani kari Austria gidon hangni menta hakata ke Vienna up Startup Festival ke belah pelong negeri Austria hangni po Vienna ban yo ban smutu ban hikai ban ya keliang kita jingmut jemberkhat ya jingnang jingtip lembat kita ki pajba jong ke pertai bro ko ni kiri ba ki ba per jong ke pertai bro ko te khalar ngut na kini ki nong singkam la jong nati ke jela jongi kilawan shani hapo jing yalam jong ke planning department bat ke prime hub Meghalaya ban wan ban smutu ya ke ba kani keri Austria kadan ban ai bat ban pinkentiu le se ka kam ke jongki ke baki ki don halari le jong ti mentang ini keren bat ki officials ki bala penlong penwandur ya kani ka Vienna Up Festival lani ke Vienna Up Startup Festival ke balong hang ni po Vienna pada kejo ke por ni keren ru bat kini ki entrepreneurs ni ki nong sengkam le jong ki bawan na kati ke jela jongi ayu ki don ban ong bat ayu ki sngo habai day bat kini Startup Festival ayu ki khmi lenti ru na kani ke Startup Festival bat kai ke baki ki sngo habai day bat kani ke jing wanra lani ke jing don joki hakani keri khnang bahkan plilat plinti om tangi ki ri ki biru ki badon ki jing temu ban seng kam lejong hala ke jala lejong kadang ni beri ba khrau kharpuri ibade itrai jong ka chicken wagon ki ba bun beli jopi ngatip phite bahai kata ba khrau kuri sibum ba khrau yang por jong phi bat pidan hangni haka nong ba ka ba lesi ka ba jingai bah nagri ki jong phi te bat kuma phi ngi ru hangni ki ba bun bah kini ki lesi ki business ki balong kum ka business ku jong phi hang ni pe bang skwa ban tip ayu ba phi don ban ong ba dei bakani ka Vienna up lani takas startup festival hang ni po Vienna but ayu ba phi khmi lenti lesi na kani ka festival kum bakalong
ningkong ning shap ngasngo ban aingo ya ublei ma la play kum kani kalat lingba ka government of Meghalaya Chief Minister jengi bela ailat kemudian kalian jong prime jong planning department bagi lapha yang aku ni ngakhlampoi perkhat bangan poi sabar kari jongi te nang tade ngakhlampoi perkhat banong ba ban poi kum kani ke jaka ka bitana kum ni pi iselendet jonga te ngasngo ngu khat ai do ya kata ten rei ke ga bangawan ka we ka nongrem kolong ba ngawan sini ban yo i ba ke ga bangi le ngi saka jela ka jongi hakari ka jongi kalong nem kaya kot bor nem ban penye nujor pat ka kaya hap nem ka ga bangi le saka ni ka jela ka jongki presene kaliang te sini si Austria ngai bun ki food truck ki don te bun ki bam ki ba phla te na kaliang ka jonga kalong bangawan sini ban yo jingi kai ki babun bat ban yo sibun ki kita ki bangila ban le sakari jongi ban implement sakari jongi ban long ka nuksa pre na banta ki babun ru kum bat kalong ru kat bang anang la ban tri bha ban le bha te le se kan play kalat kalenti ya ki bubun ki khna samla ki ba don kam ya kam ban tri bat ni ha ka chicken wagon ting yo play lat ko mi kita na marbun ki khna ki ba ni sim ngerkut mengi ko mengajuang barbor ma ni sim ki khna ki ba trang syai kam ki don kam syai kam ni ai training ki dei tang ki nong rimasi la ni ki dei tang ki nong ki ba 17 ki la ni ki dei ba ba deginong rep ka lingkha ka jongki tang manrei mansi ki habandi no ka jaka jongki nomor ba kimyo angkot te dina takadau ngasim kum yaki nga ai ka jingkai bat kumju ke bagile hakani ka jalla shani sipo Austria tingi kwa banle kumju sakari ka jongi kan
te ba kumta menta ka disingi ka baningkong ngai philai yo bania chini satai philai yu i le si ki katu kani ki business startup bat ki way lani kita ki innovation lab bat ki way ngai kai ba PPE hadu menta bat kadang ni singi baningkong le si kadang kloi pelat bangangan keli kata tinre wala kataru hadu menta ba philai yu kejat katu kani kenta philai yu bansang mania ba bani PPE kumnu kani kal lesi kan penwandur ya karukom perkhat perdan ki jongpi ya karukom penwandur ya kata kamai gaji ki jongpi hala ka jong jela ni hatu don ni em lesi kalat kaba lesi kaba phila penwan ra ka bran ki jongpi sakani gari
hoi na kaliang ka jonga ngatrang ban penhe pensan ni ka kam ka jonga ka bangale mentang dang sedang di berit ha ka jela ka jongi hapok stik ka jongi telesi ka ba persang golong ba ku mentangan plino kum sejua laningin plino kum sa Guwahati sa Garo Hills tenang ta suki pada ngin sa pli sa kiwi de state te kajing trang kajungi la da ubli bana jong play kalat lenti yangi ba ngila man play kum sini si Austria hot mane ka de sngi buningkong te sngo ka de sngi ka ba ngila yo shibun ki jing hikai shibun ki kita ki ba kalap pen i kalat ka lenti nem ta jingi hoi kidan ki food truck sini te ka wei ka system ka bekile sini kalong ba phila ban chuwai ka food truck sini lada pikwa ban sedang ka business sini phila ban chuwai ne ka food truck ki ai ka ban wai te anda phila sedang ban tri ka kam lada ka yat ba ka biang ka kum tri kam te kamut phila la ban thiet pade ka to truck te kata ka wei ka de ka wei ka nuksa ka ba biang ba bekile sini bat kum juru ngila ban le saka jela ka jongi le si te
ngadan hang ni bat ikong yaisa ibala seng ibala penyat ibala wanra kajing penkela ru ya ke eri weave kumangi ngitep bat ibala long ru lesi kadur kaba bun pe chupim dan kamsu ban penithu namar ba ila wanra nam om tang ya ka bran jong lojong blok eri weave hendri ka thamri boy brokaway bat ke jelahi bat menta pat haka global platform na benta jong kari India Tikani nang di kesengi ke beningkong lesi nganumpat nur ban kelibun ki ke kong tamba ngasu kwa tang mentep kendiat ke ka jingtmu ke jong pi nadu ba pi mi nala ka jong kari ba pin wan chani bat ke ba pi pilayo ban yesem lesi hakani kesengi ke beningkong dang di tang kesengi beningkong ke ba pi pila yesem ba ngasutu ba kani kan kandang ya kesengi kidang bunru kasedang menta nadu ka pratrik jung benai mi hadu khandriu trik jung benai mi tenre kandang ya ka tu kani kisngi kidang bun tenre hakani kisngi beningkong ayu ka ja bat ke jung yesem ke jong pi bat ke jing bil ti ke jong pi
toh ni poi hang ne ho dah ka jing tmu ba ngin ra sakmat ya kani ka bran jungi ke eriwi ngin wat yau yikini ki janren dia kibang ni penmi apo temri boy jongi bat apo mi khalia katahi kadai ka jing tmu ka kong sam tam e ka jonga namar ba banong ya ka production ka jing penmi hala ki jaka ki jongi hari boy kadai ka jaka ba penmi bhai ka janren dia tingila ban penmi ten rai ka yo se engin te ka kong sam hi ka lai bangin wat ya ka yo tingi walang ne po Vietnam kemud ban ya kendu ya kita kinong thiet kan ki buyers mo ndai tang jong ka Austria lani ka ri Austria hi ndai jong ka ri Europe hi bro ko we namar hang ne ya kendu ya ki nong sengkam la jong bat ki we pat ki breu jong ka ri Europe ti kata ka dei jing tumu ka kong san ti ha ka ni ka si ka baning kong ka bangi ban ban sim bentang ne ngi layo si bun ki jing mentai wat la dah ka pedeng ka jing that jongi banoy ya wat ya jaka namar ka dei si ka baning kong ni haban ya kijat ni haban ya wat da ka ki kali ki drum mo bangin let se ki tu jaka ya ayat haj henrengi ya pen jubor hadu menta ban ya kendu ban ya keren bat kini ki breu kan ki ban ki consultant la ki investor ki buyers te hadin ka jing ya keren ka jongi ya ki babun ngud menta kasih ngalayo hi ban ya kendu ya iwei iba kharai le se gila ban ra gila ban yo ni ko Austria kata ka dei ka kemen tam yang
hakaju kapor hene ngayo banidon bentaru bat ikong hakaba hakawe ni kijungi kenu jongi na try pikan mau hi ba kidon ni tiki kena na po Spain ki balale ya ki ba sedang banle startup kumbale mapi hi tamade kiwe ki rukam hakapor be ki ba pipeni ya ki mar ki jong hi kilalong kindit kilalong sayong ba kumno nunyang rendia nunyang nuknyang kila banyo yuksai ba pipithir ba dia kani ba pipipong menta kilalong sayong ba hatu pijiyo kum katu man kapor bi pilej bat ke hakanu kadur lada pioi ko bakum katu ke jing pensngau le jing peni jong ki breu ki barang sngo thmai phang jongan di kamar kumlu pilej bandi banterwai ki bat ke respons hadu menta
ko kumbalong ben swa hi ki breu kim da kham tip tapi sephang jong ni urun dia jongi te ka de ka kam ka jongi baladangi kwa ban ya yo ungi de ban penmi kan sabar te ka da tai ka de jing tumu jong ka sorkar ban pha ngi sene bangin lek ya phok ki breu sephang jong ni kenang bangin yo ki nong thiet lani om tang ki nong thiet ni ban long hakatakar pemban ya trailang robat ki haki wei pat ki rukom kan bakin ka state jongi kan yo jing kersan na ki wei pat kiri
kani kadai kawe ne kita jing yo bentar jong pi jing yo lat jong pi banlej ban peni ya kimar jong pi keleng ke perthai kani kamdi keskin ke bringkong ngatem klayo banlej sigi bun bhaki wi kiri kum ke Dubai ro kadai kawe baki klayo banlej bat kani ke jia lenti jong pi kamdi shu berang thamai hakanu kadur pi tharai ba kani pa kajingwan jong pi Austria kanang plilat lilinti biang bat kumnu ka peru lesi na kita kiwi baladep bat hakanu kodur pi krai bakani kanirap susu ipi ka kam jupi ba khantam li ya ka tim jong pi balle ya kani ka kam
kadai namar ngilet ha subu kum ha Dubai ngalet na duus nem ar po Teha katu kapor kani ka startup lani ngadang susdang ya kani ka kam. Teha kapor bangayo o inong thiet hang tu ngampat la ban supply. Kata kadai koy jing Ngiyo makanai kinong thiet ro ban supply ngim la tekan mentoy yu. Teh nre kat badang ya lenti na du ar pu angar hadu ta atusan lalai snem lengba kan jing ya Tracy Tom ka jong ka tim hi ka jong amo. Ngi lala ken ban penbun ya ka production. Dia menta ka production jongi ka don. Te ladang yo kinong thiet hang ni pat ngilala ken ban supply. Menta ngila long ready ngin supply ya ki ladaki kadon ka demand.
Inang ni ban project in swe napo prime hub deal isne manager hangkit but iban batay ngi kini rak may day but kani jing wan yalam nakali ang prime hub ya kini ginong sengkam la jong hangni nakai kada wan yalam bat kumu kani kala ni rap may day jing sengkam la jong namda ki kun samla ki rang ba nakati ga jela ga jongi syakani bijaka kong jakuni kun simone por jongi kenget ke jing wan joki hangni resi ka pilap namda jong bobun ba jwan yalam joki kini ki entrepreneur ginong sengkam la jong kani bijaka baru ka shop bentik bahkan mundur kani kan pilat lilinti na bata jong kinong singkam jong jong ni kani ka beri Austria.
Kabanding kong yung kini ang first question beli mijit ni kinong singkam di kani ka banyalang ki syakar ka jalalan di smart kari India ka main objective jong ka prime ka di ban ai ka bilat ya kini kinong singkam ki jongi ki bala hamdon ka stage ki bala hamdon mood fans lani ka business jong ki kala ham ki mde ngina banyalang di berofat tam ngi iba kidon ki startups ki jongi ki bala ham ki kentiu ya ka kam ki bala ham don ka stage bakilaban utilize ya kani ka platform ban kham kiu susu ban kham kiu susu ya kam jongki kani kam dai tang for market expansion mo kani ka jingwan chumi shini sbajan la kam dai tang man he ka market lani ndring pet bon bhaji ha bon ki yang kani kom kadai ba ngin wan ban smutu ya ka ecosystem ni ha ka region Austria then maybe ka best practices lani ngin sara ban shaka jela ka jongi but nakamentahi startups you a lot of networking kamut ba in terms of maybe ki different connects bakilaban make through this platform what yang ngiru part from the state government ru kadi ka plilat ha habun ru pam bangi la ban ya partner but different ecosystem enablers ha kadi ka platform ke
di ngiru ya kini ki kini sengkam jong teko entrepreneurs belawan sini ki dan ilalah jong jing fang ba jing smoke ba jing ni nanti na sila kani ato kani kan kod hangni ne kay pat kabay kasi bani nanti nakalong naka prime ni bay lani nakalong na kini entrepreneurs
di ko kani kada kani tang first day mo mangiru ni wan sini this first time kani ka global exposure yang ngiru chane chabena kadang dei kasin ko beningkong di it's a learning experience yang kat panang ya chakmat ngin pech su ki different opportunities bangin ya kelu hakani kelenti bangi don mentah hadu usni Friday di hadir lang tu pa dangi lalik hai ngin sa workout a plan action plan hakanu kom bangin ya chakmat pa
Bila beta jong kita ki perlok jong ki bapa mensing kam la jong kani kam la dei ka ba lek ban chulik ban jet na kiri pai ba tendai ki dei bala pini so ila dia bat prai bat ki bala yo ya kata membership la yo kata training bai dei bat jing seng kam la jong da ki benai da ki sinem na kalian jong kong jakulin ki bat kong jakulin di balik ko ha hakan ko kom bagi perlu kijong ni ko ang sen kam jong poi sini pini jaka kasumpo ya kayo ka hat ye kayo ka kuno kinwan man tulung teng lagi untuk soal itu kan
ki kabring ko kini ki bawan bayolat manwan sini ki one through ka chief ministers e championship challenge di ki yo ban long incubated for prime ka incubation program for prime kadai ka we ka lat ka bala man ya lam nanti pat epi shakini ki different platforms pat ndai tang hang ni ha not only ha por jela Henry pan India but go global exposures. And ni nak lihat ki global exposures mencuaru ya ki different set of startups pakai. Tinggi island berhotel ada pikwa banyak kamdei banwan sang perthai mo kani kamdei banwan sang perthai Henry lada pikwa ban sengi kam la jong ka first advice bangala lani recommendation bangan ai ba maybe this year ngiru ngin sa launch ka Chief Minister's e-Championship Challenge. Hopefully di pilak ban apply lada kide tambah kide bandon e-business ibra sedang lupa mendai ideation stage kan.
So I'm joined here by Madam Saloni, IAS, all the way from Meghalaya, who have led the team from Meghalaya here, a team of 12 startups, to get the exposure on what the ecosystem of the startup ecosystem is all about here in Vienna, in the country of Austria. Ma'am, can you tell us a little bit about what is Vienna Up and why are we here and what are we looking at?
Sure. So Vienna Up is one of Europe's most vibrant startup festivals, as you know. It is being organized by the Vienna Business Agency, and it brings together, if I'm not wrong, 90 plus startups, if I'm not mistaken, from all across the world, from the United States, from Israel, from Korea, etc., etc. So the point is to create a sort of networking slash elevation opportunity for our startups so that they can connect with the best in the field all across the world and get not just, networks in the crude sense, but an exposure that can ignite a spark in them, which is in line with the Honorable Chief Minister's vision as well. So I think that is the overall goal, to push them further, to show them where they can be so that the ambition also gets higher, and then to connect them with like-minded people all across the world.
So if I'm made to understand, this will give these startup a lot of exposure in understanding the startup ecosystem, and then get maybe connection and networking for their own businesses that will help them maybe expand at their own place. But why Europe? Why Austria for that matter? What's so special about Austria and Vienna specific?
So I believe that from what I've been told, Austria is kind of the melting hub of all sorts of sectors, because if you also see the location of Austria as such, it's right in the middle of Europe, so it's also a good hub. It's a good, sort of connection between Western Europe and Eastern Europe, so it's situated well. If you also see in Europe, other economies, I don't know, but Vienna is doing very well in places like urban mobility, in tech. So all of that, plus the very welcoming nature of Austria's economy, Austrian embassy also, where they have wanted to get more and more people, I think that is the reason why Vienna Up was chosen.
I think you are well aware about the startup ecosystem there in Meghalaya. You are managing there yourself, if I may say. But here after, I think maybe it's too early to ask, but I think you have seen how the startup ecosystem here is all about. But what can what can we relate, maybe as entrepreneurs? How can these entrepreneurs relate to the startup ecosystem here, and what is the difference maybe that these entrepreneurs can learn from them and maybe replicate this at the maybe True Prime hub that we have there in Meghalaya?
Right. So you see, every country is different. Every country then has different states. So Meghalaya as a state, we have many opportunities. Of course, some challenges as well. I think what we can all learn from here is how to be absolutely broad-minded. I think to have that idea that the sky is the limit. There are so many things happening in the world right now, and it's good to perhaps see scale. I think that's one thing here where scale is a big thing, where everything is done on a very big sort of vision board. So maybe that's one thing we can pick up. However, things which are unique to us, I think we should also push forward. Things like diversity, things like our unique handicrafts, or unique spices, or unique cuisine culture, things which we are already propelling. So I think it can be a mix of both, where we retain our strengths but look forward to Austria in terms of scale, technology. They're doing very well, especially blockchain, AI, all of those things. So those are the things we can learn with these kind of exposure. When these are entrepreneurs, 12 startups, when they go back home, they can also spread the message of the world. It's a canvas, and how more and more people can become entrepreneurs. From a larger perspective, we are right now $3.8 million economy, Meghalaya. and our goal is to we are 3.8 million people. We're a $5.9 million economy, and the goal is to get to $10 million by 2028. So because of which there is an opportunity for private sector investment of around $1 billion in our state. So I think events like these, the first thing that they do is they make the world aware also of the opportunities back home, right? So if we can ignite an interest in our ecosystem, maybe get some investments, get some exposure visits, some kind of partnerships, some connection, capacity building, it's the huge gamut of things. I think that's one thing we get to gain very tangibly. So I believe startups provide the best way for the state to utilize its young population and for us to become job makers instead of job seekers, because that is the way ahead, not just for India but for Meghalaya as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I believe, under your leadership, these startups will gain a lot of insight and will have a lot of exposure in terms of their businesses, and maybe who knows, maybe hopefully we will get somebody from Meghalaya start up their business here.
Yeah, absolutely.
And see, let's see how that happens in the next few days.
No, it's not my leadership, it's all a group effort. I think all of us have to work hard for it, and we are. And yeah, I'm sure that day will come. So thank you so much, Kublai Shibun, and thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ni don hang ni but when ki official ki ba don ki bala penlong bala penurlong ya kani ke jingyalang bakata ke jingyate hapadeng jong ke India but ke Austria di Austria hang ni. So we have with us Ajay Singh, head of technology and innovation, the embassy of Austria in New Delhi. So can you tell us something about Startup Vienna, Vienna Up, which is a startup festival, and how did it came about, and what and why are we here, and why are the entrepreneurs of Meghalaya here?
I think that's a wonderful question, and I'm very happy that you are asking Vienna Up in Vienna, not in Meghalaya, because that's what actually we wanted you to come to Vienna and experience what is Vienna Up. Vienna Up is a startup festival of Europe, so you can compare it with Viva Tech for France or Web Summit for Lisbon. Vienna Up is a decentralized startup festival and the biggest festival in Austria as well as one of the biggest festivals in Europe. And this year we have a country delegation from 18 countries and investors, venture capital, mentors, experts from all over Europe. From India, I am happy to lead delegation of multiple states. Of course, one of the states is Meghalaya, and we want everybody from India, especially from Meghalaya, to have this collaboration, exchange, connect, get funding, get mentorship, get support, and also represent your state's unique cultural as well as technological heritage and value and the solution to this Austria's Vibrant Fest. Why we are making this connection? Because we want India to cater to the European market via Austria, and Austria is as the heart of Europe. So Indian entrepreneurs come to Vienna and they are not at all restricted to Austria. They can cater to the bigger European market while their base could be in Austria. So that's our main intent, and also the support to the entrepreneurs from Meghalaya as well as all over India.
So has this been done before, or is it the first time?
This is the third time we are doing it, but the scale is for the first time. So last year we had almost 55 entrepreneurs. This year we have 65 to 70 entrepreneurs, and it's becoming big and big.
Okay, so what are we looking at here? Where is this going, and what is the the picture that we are looking maybe 5 years down the line?
I think we are already surpassing our goals already. So last year we thought maybe some companies will come, enjoy good wine and go back to their country, and then we never hear from them. No, that's not the case. Many companies made connections, many companies got inspiration from Vienna Up, they met investors, they got funding. Some Indian companies already started their operation in Austria. So it has been very successful to connect entrepreneur to entrepreneur. Also from the Austrian side, some entrepreneur came to India because they met these entrepreneurs. So this entrepreneurial connect works very well. It's beyond our expectation. I think we have to increase our goal for next 5 years.
I understand that you're part of the Austrian embassy there in, the Austrian embassy office based in India. But is it just Austria, or are we looking at other countries as well, maybe in the European Union, that you may be expanding this, or is there any possibility of doing so of a similar scale and similar kind of concept?
I think, yeah, of course. I mean, as part of the Austrian Embassy's commercial section in New Delhi, we are responsible for Austria, but we are not keeping everybody only in Austria. It's a Schengen country. You are always free to do business with any of the European countries, which is Europe works in a very collaborative effort. So when you are in Austria, you are already in Europe. So you are not limited by borders or anything else. So you can scale business, and that's a very beautiful commitment and also beauty of being in Europe or in one of the country in Europe. So you can be in any country in Europe, but if you are in Austria, it actually works, serves the purpose also for the whole European market. So for the entrepreneur in Meghalaya, they are already in good hand. So they should definitely reach out to Prime and definitely keep an eye on the government of Meghalaya's initiative. And of course, governments are well informed, incubators are well informed, and we organize all this event all year round. This is one of the biggest, but we do have different events which we will communicate to Prime and other incubators in the state.
All right, thank you so much, JC.
Thank you very much.
So, ngidan hangi menta bad players ngo nai Ajay Singh badai iwe ni kita ki bawan ban pen urlong ban pen wandur ya kani ka Vienna Up Festival ban pen wanra ya ki ya kini ki khalarngut kita ki nong singkam lajong nanti nak jela ka jongi but shenru nginang isu ki ban ki kiwiru ki ban sawan lang sya kani ka jaka lani hakiwi patru ki jaka jong kri Europe hi kuma philayo sngo kala ban long kum ka kabu na bata jong ki babun ki singkam lajong kani kalong tak jing sedang esin ni shkhma nginang isu ki ba compare khampla bat ki banang wanra susu ya ka jing ina ko jing plelat ka jing plelinti na bata jong ki singkam lajong jong ki jala jong haru ni syam yang pat pi khoi pat ka por ngadi furun rani na fufran media publish